Praise the Lord. Ave Maria. Welcome to another episode of Faithful Friend. Today's food for thought is neither depend nor hate your fellow human beings. Like what the psalmist says in chapter 62, verses 9, men of low estate are but a breath, men of high estate are a delusion. In the balances, they go up, they are together lighter than a breath. I have come across many young people complaining that they cannot believe anyone because all are cheat and traitors at heart. Thus, they want to live without having anything to do with anybody. They claim that nobody speaks from their heart, so dealing with them is problematic. But thinking this way and not believing in anyone will eventually make us lonely. We need to understand our behaviors, and this awareness will help us overcome this self defeating thought. Even when we want to be true to others, in our weaknesses, we become unfaithful. After deciding that I will not talk about others' weaknesses, in the pleasure of speaking and in the flow, I speak about their shortcomings only to regret thereafter. Human beings are fallen. Even when we have goodness in us, in our weaknesses, we fall into sin. We cannot trust this fallen nature. But because of our goodness, we should not hate ourselves and others. Stanley Jones gives us a good example. He says a tree was standing in front of his convent, had a vine plant creeping and growing over it. Vine also grew over one of its dry branch. One night, the dry branch fell down. With it fell the vine that had grown over it and withered. When we totally depend on others who have fallen like us, this will be our state too. But the psalmist gives us the solution to this problem. He says, my soul looks at the Lord and is silent, for my hope comes from the Lord. He is my rock, He is my refuge and my fortress. Like the psalmist, let us totally trust God and depend only in Him.